Hi everybody, so today I'm going to do a cutting test, or like a test and a review on this like axe knife thing and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to do a cutting test and everything. So we got some sockets for it. We got just a little extension right there. This one's magnetic. No, I don't know if those are. Just upside down there, turning the hammer. This, I tested it. It's pretty sharp. I don't know if it will work with paper. Yeah, it works alright. Yeah, it works. This stuff is kind of really good. Like something else is sticking out in a note card. There we go. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Let's try this. Let's try this. Yeah, it's pretty damn sharp. Yeah, I still cuts it all the way through. It's pretty sharp. We got like this vice thingy. Like this vice. Goes out pretty far. What else do we have? So, oh yeah, let's do the sockets. So we got what the fuck? Flathead, Phillips. I forgot. We got like the extension where it goes in there. We got a adapter. We have a 5/6 socket, 1132, 3/8, 7/16, 15/32, and 1/2. I mean, seems like they work pretty well. Let's see if I can find something that uses a socket. They don't stand very well. They kind of fall out. Oh damn, they do. You suck, dick. But hey, if you put pressure on it, so let me find something that has a socket, maybe. What about the sockets? I don't think I have something in here. That sucks. So yeah, it comes with a few of them. But the hammer stays on pretty good. It's like magnetic. So what else we got? So if you come over here, I'll cut myself. Broke my finger earlier. Bring this back. You can like take fishing hooks. I don't know, like cut wires, crimp things, like grips on pretty darn well. Grabs things. I feel. See if I can. See, it's pretty well. It does pretty good. So yeah, and then you just squeeze it, and put it like a little divot in it, and you just squeeze it like that. We got this sharp knife. I've already tested it. I'll show you guys. So watch. See, easy. See, look at that. Easy AF. This is fucking so fucking smooth. Now I even cut this shit. Oh yeah. So slick. Probably cut wire with this. I don't even know. But it's really sharp. So we got a. Also we have. I want to be careful. But let's see here. Let me just take everything out. Okay, so we got like beer bottle opener. Looks like a socket kind of. I don't know. Really nice saw with a nail file on it. Knife. Got this other saw. It's really nice. And we got a screwdriver. So they all work pretty good. I haven't tested them out yet, but I think they'll look pretty good. So yeah. And I mean, they don't come down very easily, but some of them do. But yeah, it's really nice. I mean, I like it. Easy storage, easy to take camping. It can possibly cut down small little vines like that big. I don't know. But yeah, I would think it would. So yeah, we'll see you later.